one that swivel, but we can put the link below too.
Alright guys, welcome back to Yes or No item review. My name's Omar. I'm going to review the BassiNest Glide Sleeper. Alright guys, how tall is this thing? From the top here, I'm putting my thumb right there, 34 inches.
34 inches.
The width of this thing, I'm going to go from the foot all the way over here to the other foot. It's about like 37 inches. Alright guys, the cool thing about this thing is that it's adjustable. You can adjust the height. You squeeze here to adjust height. Go ahead and do this. Squeeze it. And then with the other hand, just go up.
Perfect.
So you can see like the holes here. So I guess you could go up to like 4.
Wow, that's awesome.
Release, and it's done. See, now it's pretty steady. Alright, so yeah, I put it to the highest level because our bed's pretty big. So I'm going to slide this in. If you can see this right here, it slides in just like that. There you go. So you can adjust if you want, like that.
There you go.
That's like the 3rd level. You really want this bassinet because you don't want to accidentally hit him when you're sleeping. If you're one of those people that move a lot, like you want to do this, see? You can't hit him. But the cool thing is you don't have to go ahead and do this. You could actually just push it down like that, and it's a lot easier to grab him. See? There you go.
Perfect.
Hey! Say hi!
Hi! Sammy woke you up!
And it's easier to put him back in. Easier to put him back in.
So you don't need to go back, go stand up, just drop it.
There it is. See, this is the glide handle right there. Glide handle right there. You can push it easily. See, I'm not putting a lot of force. You can pull it like this. See?
And it's closer to you.
Now, some people might think this is a swivel. It does not swivel.
There is one that swivel, but we can put the link below too.
This thing does not swivel. It's pretty steady. See, I'm trying to go left and right, but there is one that actually does turn. It goes all the way around. This is not it. So that's one downfall of this. So yeah, and this thing's pretty cool. It's meshy, you know. He can still breathe if his head's right here. Our son is 5 months old now. The doctor said he's you know, the average 5-month-old. So you can kind of calculate how big your child is, and you could still be using this. On the side here, yeah, it's a little pocket. You could put anything there.
Like diaper, or
I guess
your
you could.
wipes, so you don't need to stand up at night.
Or your
like
phone.
Your phone, so you can easily find it.
Yeah, something. So yeah, that's that right there. Oh, this side has one too, but not really though. It's just there.
Okay.
All right, guys. So that's pretty much it with the bassinet. So if you like this video, go ahead and please subscribe below and hit that notification bell if you like this type of content. We would love to share with you everything that we have so we can review it for you before you buy. If you want to buy this specific model, well, just click the link below. It's in the description, and you can go ahead and purchase it if you want to. Is this bassinet right for you? Yes or no? If you have any questions, leave comments below. We'll try to answer them as best as we can. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next review.